What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. In today's video I have a very important matter to discuss for those of you who are jailbroken or who want to jailbreak in the future. If you're jailbroken on any version right now, this video is for you. And it's actually quite important. This video is brought to you by AnyTrans, a software that allows you to drag and drop files directly to your device from your computer. Check it out in the link below. Also, big thanks to those of you who are supporting this channel on Patreon. Those people are right now on your screen. So what is this video about? This video is about some important changes in the repos on iOS jailbreaks. So you probably remember that there used to be the PackX repo, a huge repo with paid tweaks and free tweaks, and of course many tweaks were available on PackX. Well, PackX is dying. PackX is shutting down and is getting replaced by Havoc. Havoc repo is basically this one here and is directly replacing PackX. Cilio has already been updated 2 days ago with this. Cilio 2.3 is now live on Procursus and Cilio repo with some performance improvements and important bug fixes. But one of the changes is this. Change Havoc to be the default repo, replacing PackX. The reason this is happening is because basically PackX is shutting down and Havoc is replacing it so that it fills the void that remains. So now instead of PackX and Charis and Dynastic and so on, we will have Havoc, Charis and Dynastic, to name a few. So while Charis is not going away, it's basically going to remain here where it is, and many of the tweaks that we use are available on Charis. There were a lot on PackX, and what is happening with those? Well, some of them are moving to Charis, but some of them are moving to the new Havoc. In fact, some of them are moving even from Dynastic to Havoc. The groups was announced 2 days ago to move from Dynastic to Havoc. The Cozy Badges, this one here, has been already transferred to Charis. And the developer, of course, states the reason as being PackX closing down soon. So while PackX isn't closed off yet, it will close this summer, developers are already moving their stuff from PackX to other repos. How is this affecting you? Well, you will no longer be able to get any paid tweaks from PackX. It will stay in a state of archival and you will be able to get the free ones but not the paid ones. For paid ones you will have to migrate to Havoc or Charis, and of course you will see many developers moving their tweaks over from one repo to another. So this means that if you don't already have the Havoc repo, you should add it, but Cilio, for example, has already replaced PackX with Havoc in their application. But there is also another implication. You see, Havoc doesn't work with Cydia. Right now there is a bug, you can't add it at all, but that will be fixed. However, you will not be able to make any purchases from Havoc on Cydia. They're completely dropping Cydia. This means that if you want to purchase any tweak available here, for example Carbridge, you will need to have either Zebra or Installer 5 or Cilio or something newer that supports their framework for payments. Cydia unfortunately does not. The reason they don't support Cydia is because it takes a lot of time to try to fix Cydia. The developer who made Cydia, Sorik, doesn't want it anymore, doesn't want to work on it anymore, which means it's actually quite hard and requires a lot of hacks to get Cydia to work, something that Havoc doesn't want to deal with. Charis still works as far as I know with Cydia. You can still buy tweaks in Cydia from this, but maybe it would be the time to consider getting Cilio or maybe Zebra if this affects you. And yes, contrary to popular belief, you can install Cilio on Uncover and you can install Zebra on Taurine and Uncover. It's not a problem, it's available. Now many of the developers say that while they moved their tweak from Dynastic or from PackX to Havoc, all the previous purchases will be transferred as well. The same thing in here for Cozy Badges, which moved to Charis from PackX. It says that Cozy Badges has been transferred. All previous buyers should receive an email soon with instructions on how to transfer your license from PackX. So you may have to do this manually. You may have to manually transfer your license from PackX to the newer repos. While some developers will do this automatically for you, others may not, so you will have to be careful with that. So yes, PackX closing down and being such a big repo does have some implications, and you should definitely keep an eye on the new Havoc repo and on your favorite developers and your favorite tweaks, because your favorite tweaks that you used to get from PackX will very likely move from PackX to something else in the next couple of weeks in preparation for PackX shutdown. So this is very important. Thank you for watching. I am Geosnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.